Namaste dear children, I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see NCO Olympiad Workbook for Class 1, Chapter 3, Uses of Computer. Uses of computer. We can use computers at homes, at offices, at schools, at hospitals. See, computers at homes. We can listen to songs, then we can chat with our friends. Then computers at offices for typing letters, then for searching information. Then computers at schools for teaching purpose, then for searching information. Then computers at hospitals for diagnosing various diseases. Which of the following pictures does not show the use of computer? You have given 4 options. So the answer is option D. In option D, kids are playing a badminton game without using a computer. So correct answer is option D. Then second one, which of the following tasks of a TV can be performed by a computer? Option A, playing movies. Option B, playing music. Option C, managing volume. Option D, all of these. So the correct answer is option D, all of these. Select the correct statement. Option A, songs can be played using a computer. Is it correct? Yes. Then option B, a computer can be used to solve sums. Is it correct? Yes. Then option C, we use pencil and paper to draw in a computer? No. Then option D, both A and B. So what is the answer? Option D, both A and B. So this is the answer. Option D, both A and B. Pencil and paper are used in drawing book, not in computer. Okay. Then fourth one, in hospitals, computers are used to dash, store data about patients, sell tickets, record TV shows, monitor flight timings. So in hospitals, computers are used to store data about patients. So the correct answer is option A. Which of the following games can be played on a computer? Option A, racing. Option B, cricket. Option C, basketball. Option D, all of these. So what's the correct answer? Option D, all of these. All of these games can be played on a computer. The next one, which of the following is done on a computer for fun? Option A, solving sums. Option B, selling tickets. Then option C, playing games. Option D, both A and B. So what is the answer? Playing games. Only games are played for entertainment. So option C is correct. The next one, solving sums on computer is dash. Option A, slow and time consuming. Option B, difficult and time consuming. Option C, easy and fast. Option D, difficult and slow. What is the correct answer? Option C, easy and fast. Computers make calculations easy and very fast. Next one, Mohit, a pilot, says that computer helps him to dash. Option A, play outdoor games on plane. B, send and receive games. C, control and monitor the flight. Then option D, all of these. So what is the correct answer? Option C, control and monitor the flight. Then ninth one, which of the following can be prepared using computer in schools? A, timetable. B, results. C, students report. D, all of these. What is the correct answer? Option D, all of these. All of these can be prepared using computer in schools. Given image shows that computers are used at dash for dash purpose. Option A, school, billing. Option B, supermarket, billing. Option C, hospital, flying. Option D, colleges, drawing. So what is the correct answer? Supermarket billing. So given image shows that computers are used at supermarkets for billing purpose. So option B is the correct answer. Then next one. Computer in homes cannot be used for dash. Option A typing, option B watching movies, option C playing games, option D updating passbooks. Which is the correct answer? Option D updating passbooks. This is done in banks. In which of the following areas computer is not used for education? Option A schools, option B colleges, option C homes, option D banks. Where computer is not used for education. What's the correct answer? Option D banks. In banks, computers are used for banking operations such as to deposit money, to withdraw money, etc. Then, which of the following types of computers can be used while traveling? Option A desktop computer, option 2 laptop, option 3 mobile phone. So, which of the following types of computers can be used while traveling? Both laptop and phone. Laptop and phone can be used while traveling as it is easy to carry. So, the correct answer is option D, both 2 and 3. With the help of a computer, you can dash. Take printout, search information, book tickets, all of these. So, correct answer is option D, all of these. With the help of a computer, you can take printout, you can search information, you can book tickets. Next one, 15th one. We watch dash on computer, cartoons, movies, music, both A and B. So, what is the correct answer? Option D, both A and B. We can watch both cartoons and movies on computer. We do not watch music, we listen to it. So, A and B are correct. Next one, achievers section. Find the number of activities which can be done in a computer hidden in the given word grid. So, you have to find the activities which can be done in a computer. See, you can play, playing. Then, another activity you can do in a computer, drawing, D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. Then, typing, T-Y-P-I-N-G, typing. Okay. So, how many activities you can do? How many activities are hidden in the word grid? 3. So, option B is the correct answer. Select the incorrect match regarding the uses of computer. Offices taking printouts. Is it correct? Yes. Schools diagnosing diseases? No. Diagnosing diseases in hospitals. Then banks printing passbooks. It is correct. Railways booking tickets. It's also correct. So, which is the incorrect match? Schools diagnosing diseases. Option B. Then next one. Select the word which when unscrambled gives the name of a place where computers are used. So, some words are given. We have to unscramble them. So, the unscrambled words are sums, solve, bank, form. Out of these, bank is a place where computers are used. So, option C is the correct answer. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Option A, cover of books is designed using computers. Is it correct? Yes. Newspapers are printed with the help of computers. Yes, it's also correct. Then, computers are used for making building layouts. Yes. Then, at departmental stores, computers are used for making toys. Is it correct? No. So, this is the answer. Option D. At departmental stores, computers are used to keep details of items sold and to print bills, not for making toys. Then which of the following figures shows the correct way of drawing pictures in computer? So which is the correct option? Option C. Option A and option B are incorrect. Why? Because you cannot draw on computer using a pencil or paintbrush. You can draw pictures using mouse. Okay. Children, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.